Watching a baby grow is a joyful experience, and helping them build strength through gentle exercises is an important part of their development. Here are some easy exercises parents can try at home to help their baby grow stronger day by day. One of the best and most common exercises is tummy time. Tummy time helps babies strengthen their neck, shoulder, back, and arm muscles. Start with just a few minutes at a time, a few times a day, and gradually increase the duration as the baby gets more comfortable. Tummy time can be made more fun by using a water mat, which provides a colorful, engaging surface for babies to explore. The gentle movement of water encourages babies to reach, push, and kick, helping develop arm and leg strength. It also stimulates visual tracking and hand-eye coordination as babies watch floating shapes move around. Another helpful movement is bicycle legs. This is great for babies who have not started crawling yet. Lay the baby on their back and gently move their legs in a pedaling motion, just like riding a bicycle. This can help strengthen their leg muscles and improve flexibility. It also helps relieve gas and can make babies feel more comfortable. Doing this for a few minutes a day can support their lower body development in a fun and calming way. As babies grow, they start pushing themselves up with their arms while on their tummies. Encouraging this movement, known as a mini push-up, builds strength in their upper body. You can support this by placing toys just out of reach to encourage them to push up and reach forward. Always supervise and make sure the surface is soft and safe. Pull to sit is another simple but effective activity. This helps build neck, shoulder, and core muscles. Lay the baby on their back, gently hold their shoulder or arms, and slowly pull them into a sitting position. Do it slowly and carefully, watching how much control they have over their head and body. At first, you might need to support the head, but over time the baby will learn to lift and hold their head up on their own. Rolling practice is also helpful for building strength. Gently place one hand on the baby's leg and help guide them to roll onto their side. This improves coordination and strengthens the back, arms, and core. Make sure the baby has enough space and is on a soft, safe surface like a play mat or blanket on the floor. Once your baby can sit with support, supported sitting becomes a great exercise for building strength. You can use a baby seat or a nursing pillow to help keep them steady as they practice sitting upright. This position encourages babies to use their core muscles and improves balance. With these simple exercises, you will not only help your baby build strength, but also deepen the bond between you and your child.